Short on space, but big on stuff. These genius IKEA organization hacks will help you tidy up, maximize every inch, and make your home feel instantly more spacious. From hidden storage to clever space savers, these ideas are as practical as they are satisfying. All the products are linked in the description below. Your vanity just got a serious upgrade. This side dresser has 6 spacious tiers to store everything from skincare to accessories, keeping your space neat and clutter-free. The drawers come with small compartments so you can separate and organize every item with ease. On top, a mirror surrounded by light bulbs gives you perfect lighting for makeup or grooming. Just attach the organizers on your drawers and enjoy a setup that's as stylish as it is practical. Turn your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. This clever setup uses sturdy drawers as the base, giving you plenty of storage right where you need it. A large wooden tabletop rests on top, with an extra elevated shelf that's perfect for your monitor. Need a change of pace? Raise it up, and it transforms into a standing desk. Easy to assemble, spacious, and built for comfort and efficiency. Keep your beauty space neat and gorgeous at the same time. This compact organizer features 3 mesh drawers for storing all your makeup, brushes, and beauty tools. Each drawer slides out smoothly, making it easy to find exactly what you need. The flat top is perfect for displaying plants, candles, or decor. It's the perfect blend of storage and style for any vanity or desk. Ironing just got way more convenient. This compact setup combines a smooth ironing board on top with a rolling organizer underneath. 2 spacious compartments in the base keep your clothes, linens, or ironing supplies right within reach. The wheels let you move it anywhere you need, then lock in place for stability. Perfect for small spaces where every inch counts. Turn cluttered entryways into sleek, organized spaces. This shoe organizer uses 3 hidden drawers as the base, keeping all your footwear neatly stored and out of sight. Inside, shoe holders keep each pair upright and easy to grab. A flat board on top gives you extra surface space, while a built-in rod lets you hang a few favorite outfits. It's a clean, space-smart solution for any home. Give your cube shelf a whole new life. Start with a simple IKEA cube, add a few holes at the base, and attach wheels to each corner. Now you've got a rolling storage unit perfect for toys, books, or anything you need to move around. You can even drop in a plant pot for a mobile indoor garden. Stylish, practical, and ready to roll anywhere you want. Turn simple materials into a stunning statement piece. Take an IKEA wooden spiral and secure it to a sturdy pot with strong glue. Attach a round tabletop on top, then finish the whole piece with a smooth coat of varnish. The result? A chic circular side table with a unique sculptural base. Perfect for holding your coffee, books, or decor in style. Create your own kitchen island without breaking a sweat. Start with a sturdy chair and square organizer shelves from IKEA. Add footstands for stability, then bring in a tabletop with supports on one side. Use the organizer as the other support, instantly combining storage and function. In just a few steps, you've got a simple DIY kitchen island ready for cooking, serving, or gathering around. Turn your pantry into an organized dream. Use an expandable pot lid rack to keep every lid in its place. No more digging around. Add a multi-layer pot organizer so your pans stack neatly without scratching. A Lazy Susan makes oils, sauces, and condiments easy to grab with a quick spin. Bamboo trays keep smaller items tidy, while tiered racks store jars so you can see everything at a glance. Give your monitor the lift it deserves. Take a small, sturdy table and attach 6 short feet to the bottom for extra stability. Place it on your current desk, and you've got an instant monitor stand that frees up space underneath for keyboards, notebooks, or decor. It's a quick, budget-friendly DIY that makes your workspace more organized and comfortable. Transform your bed with a cozy, custom headboard. Cut a wooden panel into a half-circle shape, then cover it with a cloth you love, securing it with staples. Add a layer of soft, carpet-like fabric on top for extra texture and comfort. Once finished, place it behind your bed for an instant style upgrade. It's simple, personal, and makes your room feel complete. Hide your laundry setup in plain sight. Take an IKEA PAX wardrobe and adjust it so the top and bottom are open, perfectly fitting your washing machine and dryer. In the middle, add a sliding shelf to store detergents, fabric softeners, and other laundry essentials. When closed, it looks like a sleek wardrobe. When open, it's a fully functional laundry station. Stylish, discreet, and space-saving. Turn 2 IKEA classics into one stunning custom unit. Start with Hofsta cabinets as the base for closed storage, then stack Billy bookcases on top for open shelving. Add a connecting shelf using plywood and finish the edges with lattice trim for a seamless look. Fill unused holes, caulk, sand, and prime. Finally, paint it in your favorite color for a high-end built-in effect. Create a chic mirrored side table in just a few steps. Take the legs from 2 IKEA lac side tables and pair them with mirrors. Glue the mirrors to form cube-shaped sides, securing them neatly in place. If small gaps appear, simply fill them with filler for a flawless finish. The result is a sleek, reflective accent piece that instantly brightens any room. Turn your bedroom into a boutique-style dressing room. Line up multiple IKEA PAX wardrobes to create a walk-in wardrobe setup. Add drawers to each section, with sock and underwear organizers neatly displayed under a glass top. Sliding trays make it easy to access your accessories without rummaging. With 4 or 5 wardrobes combined, you'll have a custom, organized space that feels truly luxurious. Say goodbye to messy toilet rolls with this clever DIY holder. It uses a simple steel frame wrapped in rope at the bottom to store extra rolls neatly out of sight. The top part holds the roll you're using, keeping it easy to grab. This setup looks natural and stylish, adding a cozy touch to your bathroom. Plus, it's super easy to make with just a few materials you probably have on hand. Check out this slick marble table makeover using basic furniture pieces. Starting with a simple table and storage unit, the top gets a stunning marble look thanks to a vinyl wrap that's so realistic, you'd swear it's the real deal. It's an easy way to upgrade your space without spending a fortune. Perfect for adding that elegant vibe in minutes. Plus, it's a fun DIY project anyone can try. Here's a cozy reading corner you can build in any room. Start with a 2-drawer wooden base, topped with a smooth wooden surface for extra space. Cover the sides with wood panels, paint it your favorite color, and add drawer handles for easy access. Mount a light on the wall and sneak in a hidden wooden slot to stash your goodies. Finish with blackout curtains, seal gaps with caulk, and toss a cushion on top. Now you've got a perfect spot to dive into your books. Turn plain tall shelves into a stunning floor-to-ceiling display. Start with 2 or more shelves side by side and add wooden panels the same size as each shelf. Then, craft wooden squares to sit on top, cutting half-circle openings for a unique look. Use the cutout pieces as stylish shelf tops with peek-through holes. Paint everything white or your favorite color for a fresh, airy vibe. Now you've got an eye-catching shelf that reaches the ceiling and holds all your favorite things. Here's how to build a table that hides your clutter in style. Start with a sturdy wooden panel as the tabletop foundation. Attach a drawer base underneath. It's designed to hold storage cubes neatly. Secure the tabletop directly to the base, then flip it over. Now you've got a sleek table with hidden storage right in the middle, ready to organize your cubes and keep your space tidy. Maximize your staircase space with rolling shelf cabinets that fit perfectly along the side. Connect them securely using drills to create one seamless unit covering the upper stairs. Add a wooden panel on top for a smooth surface, then install panels underneath to hide any gaps. Paint everything in your favorite shade and cover the back for a polished look. Finish with varnish to protect the wood and enjoy stylish, hidden storage right by your stairs. Transform a simple daybed into a smart sleeper sofa with extra storage. Add sliding drawers underneath to keep your essentials handy but out of sight. Build a bed frame that covers half the bed, giving it a neat, cozy look when used as a sofa. When it's time to sleep, just pull out the drawers and slide the frame to open up a comfy bed. It's a perfect combo of style, comfort, and smart storage for any space. Make use of hidden space with a clever shelf right behind your bathroom door. Using simple wooden panels, build a slim, multi-layered storage unit that fits snugly in the gap. It offers plenty of shelves to hold toiletries, towels, or small essentials without cluttering your bathroom. This easy setup keeps everything organized and within reach. Plus, it's a smart way to add storage without taking up floor space.